Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create upload image form in React.js application. So let's get started. Let's go to the second tab and I'm going to run this command to install the material UI icons in our React.js application. So let's navigate to the VS Code. Let me open here the terminal. Let's run this command. As you can see, the material UI icons installed successfully. Let me close the PowerShell. Now, as you can see, the app function. Let me remove this div. So here I'm going to add the div with the style padding 16 pixels. Inside this, we have a paper tag with the styling properties, padding 16 pixels, max width 600 pixels, and the margin that we have the auto. Inside this, we have a typography tag with the caption upload image, that we have the title of the form. After that, we have a form tag. Inside this, we have a grid container. In this grid container, we have the different inputs like the name of the posted user, title of the image, and the image upload input. After these inputs, we have a button to submit the form. So the first input that we have posted by, as you can see, the input for the image title. After that, we have a input to upload the image. So this input will accept the JPG and the PNG files. After these inputs, we have a button with the caption submit. As you can see, the button with the caption submit. Now on the top, I'm going to edit the imports. As you can see, the imports that we have text field, button, typography, grid, and the paper from the material UI. After that, we have a upload file icon from the material UI icons. Let me format the code. Now you can take a look of the app.js. Let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, the upload image form where the first input that we have posted by. After that, we have a image title input, and the last input that we have upload image. At the last, we have a button with the caption submit to submit this form. Now let's go back to the VS Code, and I'm going to declare a use state for the form data. So it will be a const form data and set form data. Let me declare with the use state. Inside this, we have a title. Let me initialize this empty quotes. After that, we have a posted by. At the last, we have a image. Let me initialize it with null. After that, we have a use state for the file name. So it will be a const file name, set file name. Let me initialize with the use state. After that, we have a use state for the preview image. So let me duplicate this line. Let me update this that we have preview image, and it will be a set preview image, and it will be a by default null. At the last, we have a use state for the uploading, and it will be a set uploading, and it will be a by default false. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.